Hello everybody, you're welcome to our channel with a new video. Today I am in Khoy and I would like to show you real face of Khoy in Nowruz days. Everybody going to celebrate these days, and sometimes you are listening some voices from here and there, and everybody want to share their happiness with fireworks and buying some new clothes. And also you see some objects from the haft-sin, serkeh haft-sin, and they would like to celebrate with different things. Stay with us and enjoy the happy Nowruz. I would like to say to you happy Nowruz. As you know, celebration of Nowruz in Iran, in Turkey, in Azerbaijan, in Tajikistan, in Iraq, in Afghanistan and other countries, they gather together and they celebrate the beginning of New Year, Nowruz. Thank you very much, and stay with us and let's discover the real face of Nowruz in Khoy, a city in northwest of Iran, West Azerbaijan, Iran. Some of the traditional customs include haft-sin, a tabletop display of 7 items that begins with the Persian letter sin, which symbolize different hopes and wishes for the new year. Çarşamba Suri, a pre-Nowruz festival where people light bonfires and jump over them to symbolize leaving behind the darkness of winter and entering into the light of spring by a bonfire and fireworks. Sizdah Bedar, the 13th and final day of Nowruz, which is spent outdoor in parks and nature, picnicking and enjoying the spring weather. Nowruz is a beautiful and meaningful celebration that has been passed down through generations of Iranian. It is a time to honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future. چلنده سلام علیکم. حالا in these days, many people gathering together and want to show their happiness because of coming Nowruz. Especially children like to buy fishes, golden fishes, and make haft-sin. چیزا با هم دیگه جست Happy Nowruz. Happy Nowruz to you. سلام علیکم. چیزا با هم با بیلی جست Happy Nowruz to you. با هم